I've been designing for 3D printing for a while, but I've always been curious about resin. Specifically, I had this idea that the smaller layer lines with the resin print would let me make a marble run with tiny 2mm steel balls, and Anycubic sent me the Photon P1 to try it out. A little bit of a spoiler, I did figure something out, and I'll share that in a future video. First of all, I wanted to make sure I had as safe of a setup as I could. So I decided to set the printer up in my garage, right next to the rakes and the leaf blower. And I know I have a little bit better airflow out here, plus I can open the garage door if I need to get even more airflow. To help a little bit more, I got the AirPure 2.0. So this is an inline fan. It's really quick to set up. It has its own power supply and ducting, so you can send the exhaust from the printer outside, and it just hooks into the back of the printer itself. For myself, I bought a bunch of gloves, goggles to wear over my glasses, and I tried to get a little bit better quality respirator as well. But most of all, I'm trying to be consistent, trying to wear them every time I'm checking on a print and not cheat and just peek at it as I go. To kind of help with surfaces, I got these silicone mats. Those go into the printer and the wash and cure station. The idea with these is if there's any drips, it'll at least make it more contained and easier to clean. Also, I got these lunch trays. I saw this tip online. So when I'm moving prints around, I can catch any drips and just cure that to dispose of it. The wash and cure station really couldn't have been any easier to put together. Plus it has this really friendly piece of foam. Essentially, you're just taking the parts out of the box and stacking them together, whether you're using the curing station, which has an extra UV light that plugs in, or the washing station that has a basket that goes down inside, and you fill that up with the IPA. So that's my initial prep. Check out my next video to see me finish the setup and get started printing.